And in front of me is HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select System and Updates, and here you will notice date and time. Smoothly click on this tab, and now you can either have an automatic date and time, or you can turn it off, and now you can set the date and time manually by yourself. Also, you can change time zone. Just pick the one that you would like to apply, and that's it. You can also decide if you would like to have 24-hour format clock or just 12-hour format clock. You can change it smoothly by tapping on this switcher, and this is it. Then whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just tap right here. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.